This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can adjust the camera ISO and shutter speed values on this drone. So to start, select the preferred shooting mode, should it be photo, video or quick shots. Now switch the camera mode to Pro by tapping at the camera auto icon you'll find to your bottom right. Now while in the Pro mode, open the parameters, now select the second section here and switch off auto buttons both for the ISO and shutter values. Now set those values at whatever numbers you'd like to see it, that's up to you. And that's about it. So should I return to the photo mode? Let's see if those changes actually helped. Doesn't look so. Let's get to the video mode and check once again. Yep, and as you can see, those settings are mode specific, mode unique. So if you change them for the video shooting mode, those settings won't be transferred to photo mode as well automatically. So that's good. That's good, I guess. You can keep those settings separate for different shooting modes. Good to know. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.